Welcome, dear students. Now, today we will discuss about the cytoskeleton microfilaments, where there are a number of microfilaments which are present in the cell. The microfilaments are specific type of fibrous elements having diameter of 50 to 70 angstrom. They are composed of protein actin, which is usually found in muscles. They are clusters in form beneath cell membrane. Microfilament is a single strand of identical globular protein and also having the molecular weight is about 4200 daltons. Now the actin, when present in monomeric form, is called as the G-actin, and it is assembled double-stranded filaments called as the F-actin. When it assembled in double form or double-stranded, that is form F-actin, that is the actin filaments are capable of interacting with another protein called myosin. It is major component of contractile machinery of the cell. The microfilaments are arranged into different ways, and these are in the arrangement parallel bundles. It is a parallel bundles arrangement of the myofilaments. They are also contains other muscles proteins like myosin, tropomyosin, and alpha actin in culture cells. These microfilaments also show the loose meshwork. Loose meshwork, it means that the network-like structure, and the locomotion having in amoeba, that is a pseudopodia, and in pseudopodia of the amoeba having the meshwork-like microfilament, which is useful for the extension of the body, retraction of the body. Now the next one is the neurofilaments. Now neurofilaments mean that the filaments which are present in the nerve cell, and so that type of the filaments or microfilaments is called as the neurofilaments. It has about 100 angstrom in diameter, and the length of the neurofilament is along with the axons of nerve cells. Now the molecular weight of microfilament or neurofilament is 70,000 daltons. Why? Because of that they are longer in size and longer in length in the nerve cells. The functions of it transport material from their site of synthesis in the cytosol to the end of axon, where these filaments, which is a tubular in structure and which transport the material for the synthesis in the cytosol to the end of axon. Now the helical structure of F-actin. Now microfilaments are composed of contractile proteins, that is actin and myosin. Besides this, they are also contain tropomyosin and tropomin C. That is nothing but these are the two important content of the microfilament of the neurofilaments. Alpha actin and other protein found in muscles. Now these types of the microfilaments were found in muscle, they are also found the alpha actin and other protein material. The non-muscle cell also contain actin and myosin contractile proteins. The contraction and relaxation in these cells also similar to that of muscle cells. That is nothing but the nerve cell also showing that the contraction and relaxation, because of that the according to the organ, according to the type of the cell, according to the type of the nerve cell, there is also the found contraction and relaxation, and therefore they are also similar like that the muscle cells. Now the functions of microfilaments. Which are the functions of the microfilaments? Now, role in muscle contraction in voluntary muscles. It helps in cytokinesis, cell movement, nerve outgrowth, tubular gland formation, movement of interstitial microvilli, and cytoplasmic streaming and gastrulation. In gastrulation, the microfilament is also important. Because of that, the formation of the various internal organization of these organisms, and the interstitial cell having the microvilli which perform the function of the various activities, or that is nothing but the absorption as well as the uh, forward of the food material in the intestine, like this. Then thank you very much. Okay.